In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a row report in Smartsheet. A row report is a great way to pull specific rows from one or more sheets into a single, focused view. This is especially helpful when you want to see tasks, issues, or projects that meet certain criteria without having to open multiple sheets. Let's walk through the process from the very beginning. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Smartsheet window in the navigation bar. Find the plus or create icon and click it. This is where you start whenever you want to build something new in Smartsheet, like a sheet, a dashboard, or in this case, a report. From the menu that appears, choose Report. You'll then see an option for Row Report. Go ahead and click Row Report. This tells Smartsheet that you want to build a report that focuses on individual rows, rather than summaries or metrics. Next, you'll be prompted to name your report. Choose a name that clearly describes what this report is for, such as Open Tasks by Owner or Active Projects Overview. A clear name makes it easier for you and your team to find and reuse the report later. Once you've typed in the name, click OK to create it. Now you'll be taken into the report builder. At the top, you'll see a toolbar. Start by clicking Source Sheets. This is where you select which sheets your report will pull data from. You can choose a single sheet or multiple sheets, depending on what you need. Take a moment to carefully pick the sheets that contain the rows you want to see in this report, then confirm your selection. After that, click Filter Criteria in the toolbar. Here you define which rows should actually appear. You can filter based on things like status, assigned to, due dates, or any other column in your source sheets. Set up rules that match your use case, for example, only showing rows where the status is in progress or where the due date is in the next 7 days. Once your filters are set, click Columns to display. This controls which columns from your source sheets are visible in the final report. You might not need every column, so select only the ones that matter most. This keeps your report clean and easy to read. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Save. This locks in your settings so you can return to this report anytime and see the latest data that matches your criteria.